Welcome back to Happy Bake Day. My name is Amanda and today we are going to be making chewy Ube Crinkle Cookies. To the bowl of a stand mixer, you're going to add a half a cup of browned salted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and half a cup of packed light brown sugar. Beat on medium-high speed until everything is light and fluffy. Next, you'll add 2 large eggs plus 1 egg yolk, and 1 tablespoon of ube extract and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Again, you're going to mix until everything is well combined. You'll combine 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of glutinous rice flour, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Use a whisk to whisk everything together. Then slowly add your dry ingredients into the wet mixture. Cover your bowl with some plastic wrap. Your dough will be soft, and you're going to chill the dough in the refrigerator for at least an hour. After your dough has chilled, remove it from the fridge, and in 1 small bowl, you'll add half a cup of granulated sugar, and you'll add 1 cup of powdered sugar to a second small bowl. Scoop the dough in about 2 tablespoon increments out of your bowl and roll it into a ball. Roll the ball first into the bowl with the granulated sugar, coating well, then into the bowl with the powdered sugar, again coating really well. Place your dough onto a baking tray that's been lined with some parchment paper, making sure you space your cookies about 3 inches apart. You'll bake your cookies in an oven that's been preheated to 350 degrees for about 11 to 13 minutes or until the edges are set and the center is slightly soft. Allow your cookies to cool completely on your tray. And with that, our chewy Ube Crinkle Cookies are done with their beautiful, beautiful, rich purple color. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join me again next week.